If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Document View buttons in Word are a group of buttons for commonly used document views, which appear in the lower right corner of the application. Separately, buttons for all the document views in Word also appear on the View tab of the ribbon in the Views button group and Immersive button group. You can click these buttons in either location to change the current document's view. By default, Word opens in Print Layout View, which you use to create standard documents. Unless otherwise specified by a lesson, you can assume the document view referenced by this tutorial's lessons refers to the print layout view. This view lets you see the document as it will look if printed. This view shows margins, page breaks, and header and footer data. However, you can switch between the different document views as needed. Each has its own use in the program. Within the View tab in the ribbon, the Views button group contains buttons for the Read mode, Print layout, Web layout, Outline, and Draft views. The Immersive button group contains buttons for the Focus mode and Immersive Reader views. In the status bar, there are buttons for the Focus mode, Read mode, Print layout, and Web layout document views. Select the view that works best for the document to create. For example, if you use Microsoft Word to create a blog post, you may want to view it in the Web layout view. Since we've already discussed the function of the Print layout view, let's review the purpose of the other document views in Word. The Read mode document view maximizes the space available for reading a document. It's useful for electronically reading and reviewing a document. The Web layout document view helps if creating documents for online publishing. The Outline view helps you organize a hierarchy of ideas in a master document, like an outline or agenda. The Draft view focuses on the body of text that makes up most documents. This view hides additional information like the margins or header and footer data. The Focus mode document view mode hides all distractions from the document area for the currently selected document view. You can roll your mouse pointer and hold it at the top of the screen to show the ribbon and status bar if needed. Then roll back into or click into the document to hide them again. After showing the ribbon and status bar again, simply click the Focus Mode button again in either location to turn this document view mode off. The Immersive Reader view is like a modified version of the Draft view, which lets you focus on the text of the current document. When using this view, a special Immersive Reader contextual tab also appears in the ribbon. You can use the buttons in the Immersive Reader button group on the Immersive Reader contextual tab of the ribbon to adjust the column width, page color, line focus, text spacing, show the syllables, or read aloud the document's text. To exit Immersive Reader view in Word, click the Close Immersive Reader button in the Close button group on this same contextual tab. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.